Kani ketika Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Haka Henry Tarik mentau bena yayong arajar arpo kakanhun menteri jong kesorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kalasong jalang banyatai halor ki bon telikiman kibe dai bat kani ke jinglong jingman kari menta hapadeng ke jingle persya ban khanglat na ke jingsa prayang ukunyang jingpang COVID-19 kawai ni kimat ke balai kren hagani ke jalang kadai halor ki jaka pule hakaba kakanhun menteri dakawai kesor kalarai ban beteng shua ye ke jingkhang ki skol bat kiwai di ki jaka pule hadu kalai photrek mentau bena yayong arajar arpo bat hadien kani ke sorkar ke sasong bisar biang.
We have already decided in the cabinet that schools and educational institutions will remain closed till 30th of this month. And the same will again be reviewed depending upon the prevailing situation in the entire country.